All right, students, so if you're watching this video, you need some help with level 9. So in Schoology, I already put a hint in level 9 down here of the path that you need to take with your robot to collect the scrap metal. So first thing, like I told you guys in the intro video, let's leave this repeat block until the end. So the first thing we have to figure out is what are the blocks we need in order to get your robot to collect the scrap metal. All right, so it's right now your robot, BB-8, is facing towards us. So he's facing down. So we want to go ahead and we want to move forward first, which will put him here. Then again, you have to take the point of view of BB-8 and we have to turn right. And then we need to move forward again. Now I'm going to run this right now. Now what some students do is from here, what they do is they go forward again and then go this and then go down. We're not going to do that. All right. Again, if we go back to my drawing here, once we collect these two pieces of metal here, then we want to turn and go this way, kind of like steps. All right. So we're going to turn left. And then we're going to move forward. And again, I'm going to run this every single time. All right, so what I would suggest trying to do, pause this video right here at this point and put in the rest of the blocks to make BB-8 go down and collect all those things. Okay, so pause it right now. Okay, so hopefully by now you have figured out the rest of the blocks. So I'm going to put in the rest of the blocks right now, so we can go ahead and find our pattern. Right, forward. Let's go down. Good. Then we're going to go left. Then we're going to go forward. Then we're going to go right. Then we're going to go forward. I'm just going to keep running it. Then we're going to go left. Then we're going to go forward. Then we're going to go right. And we're going to go forward. We're going to go left, we're going to go forward, and we're going to go right, and then we're going to go forward. Now, obviously, we have way too many blocks. We actually only need 6 blocks, but we have 20. So again, if you are confused on how the repeat block works, this is the first thing I would do. Put in all the code that you know works, and all this code works. So now what we need to do is we need to figure out where the pattern is and start separating the chunks, okay? So let's just say you thought it was these 3 blocks that repeated, forward, right, forward. So if I split up every 3 blocks, if this is correct, what would happen is all these blocks should be the same. So we have forward, right, forward. Then we have left, forward, right. So these do not match these. So we know that the pattern that I just chose is incorrect, which I knew that already, but I just wanted to show you guys how you can tell if you have the right pattern. So where do you think the pattern is? Okay, it's actually the first 4 blocks. So forward, right, forward, left. Okay, so now 4 blocks here. So now let me separate the next 4 blocks, and then the next 4 blocks, and then the next 4 blocks. All right, so if I compare these, they are the same. Forward, right, forward, left, forward, right, forward, left, forward, right, forward, left. And then at the end, we don't have to make a left turn because we're at the end of the puzzle. So once you compare these, you can see they're all the same. So you know you have the right chunk. Now, the only thing you have to do is figure out how many times you're going to repeat this. Well, count the chunks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 chunks. So if I take this and put this in here, and delete everything else, and run it, you will see that it worked. Now, I'm hoping you just didn't fast forward just to see the answer, because yes, obviously that would work, but if this comes up on a test, you're not going to know how to do it. And it's going to be a little tough. All right, so that was a video hint for level 9. Good luck. Watch the other videos if you get stuck.